In this video, let me show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Remitly. So let's get started. Want to send money from PayPal to Remitly? While there's no direct way to transfer between the two, here's a simple workaround you can follow. First, transfer your PayPal funds to your bank account. Log into PayPal, go to your wallet, tap Transfer Money, then choose Transfer to your bank account, and complete the steps. Once the money arrives, usually within 1 to 3 days, open Remitly or go to remitly.com, log in, start a new transfer, enter your recipient's info, and when selecting a payment method, choose your bank account, and that's it. While you can send money directly from PayPal to Remitly, this method is reliable and easy to follow. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.